How to change your Facebook profile name. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can change your name in Facebook. So in order to start, the first thing that we'll be going to do is simply launch our Facebook application by tapping on to the Facebook icon, and this will launch the Facebook application and it will redirect you to the home page. Now within the home page you will need to click onto a profile option, or you can also choose to click onto these three lines present at the top right corner, and then from here within the menu you need to click onto the settings gear icon at the top. Now under the settings and privacy you will need to click onto the Meta account center. So click here and it will lead you to the Meta account center. Now in this menu you can click on to profiles and then choose your correct Facebook profile. Then from here go to name, and then from here you can easily change your first name as well as your surname as well, and then you can click onto this review change, and from here you can preview your name as you would like, and then click onto this save changes option. Now just wait for the changes to get saved, and now you can see that I have successfully changed my Facebook name. So that's how easily you can change your Facebook name. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.